All right, when you get your SimpliSafe package, it comes like this. And we'll open this up as soon as I can figure out how this works. Okay, pop it open. There's your camera. Comes with a protector on the front and your mount. And there it says, let's get started. Pop this open and you'll see right out of the gate, use your included cable to charge your battery. So these things need to be charged for 5 hours before you can really get started. So you could go ahead and mount the camera, wait for the battery to charge, but it would be better to know, be able to have the battery in there and to test the view before you actually mount it to make sure you're going to get the view you want at the location you choose. So first things first, we'll go ahead and charge the battery. The battery's in this packet over here. One thing that's nice about SimpliSafe is that they do a real good job in packaging. There's a charger. And here's the battery. Battery slides out of its pack. And then all you got to do is plug your one end of your cable, charging cable, into that opening right there, like so. And then plug this into a USB adapter. And plug it in. And there you go. It's blinking. And it looks like there's 3 dots there. It comes. That one came with a little bit more charge. Well, I guess they both came with a little charge, but all right, we'll just leave them blinking. And 5 hours from now, we'll come back and set it up. Okay, so let's walk through the step-by-steps to getting this camera set up. To get started, all you do is set up the camera to the existing base station. So you've got to get those two to sync up, to identify each other, or to pair. The base station and the app will walk you through a series of prompts, and that's all self-explanatory. That's pretty easy to follow. Okay, after the battery's charged, you take your camera out of the box, turn that counterclockwise, opens up. Inside your camera head, you put the battery, and those 3 brass contacts go where those contacts are. So we'll put it in this way. Tab up so you can pull the battery out later if you need to. That's it. And then put this back on, and these two will align, and you feel it lock in, and there goes the camera turning on. So once we got install and process, press that button, and that added the camera. Now we'll name it. So all you gotta do is follow the prompts. It has a protective cover, so we'll peel that off. And then we'll go check the live view outside. One thing that's pretty neat about the camera is you see that the base, and it rotates around this base, but it's just a magnet. And that comes right off. It's a really strong magnet, but that's how it works. So you can get pretty much whatever angle you want off of this base, which is really nice. Take the dome off the back of the camera, and then the mounting plate screws off just by turning it a quarter turn. And we're just going to put those 2 screws through the holes, mount it up high, and then we'll put this back on. Pretty simple.
As you can see, the setup for the SimpliSafe is super easy, and that's what's really nice about these systems. Some of the features of this camera are it's a 140-degree view angle, so it's pretty wide. It has a 180p HD video with an 8x zoom. It has a built-in spotlight for at nighttime. When you want to see something outside, you can just turn that spotlight on and you'll see in full color at night, which is really nice. Each camera has a rechargeable battery, and as a result, you're going to have to take that battery out. What's nice is that the camera head, is easily detached from its mount because of the magnet. But every 3 to 6 months, you're going to have to recharge that battery. It comes with a charging cable. You just have to pull the camera head down and then pop the battery out.
Well, I hope this video helps. If you get anything out of it, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Be sure and subscribe. We've got lots of videos coming. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you next time.